Hey everybody, this morning I'm just doing a quick project a friend of mine is helping me out with, and yeah, I guess Malik's helping me too, not the friend I was talking about, but anyway, I've been wanting to do this for a while where I've got a set of Volvo rims and they're hub centric, so they need bored out, and I had this done before I hired a machine shop to do it. One of my friends had made a jig for some rims that he had gotten and then used a router to drill it out, or to bore it out. So I'll just show you kind of what we're doing. So what we've got here is this jig that was 3D printed, and it's 3D printed for the proper size, which I believe is like 65.1, I think, millimeters is what this is for a P2 Volvo, for like the S60s, V70s, and then even the older, like the P80s. XC90s are different, and P3s are different. So these rims came off of I think it was a C70, and so they had too small. The center hub bore here was too small. And so my friend 3D printed this to the proper size. And if you look down in here, I already went around it, and you know, it's hard to see with the video, but I went around it with this router. It's got a cheap Harbor Freight router, got this bit with a bearing, so that way it could ride on the jig and then cut it out properly. And I'll update everybody as far as how this actually works out to make sure that there's no wobbling or anything, but I think we're gonna be good. It seems like it really cut it nice down in there, and I'll try mounting these rims later. I picked up these rims for 150 bucks. And cool enough, I didn't even know that this existed, but these are Borbit rims. If you see that right down there, they're pretty cool. So I'm gonna do it with the other three, and hopefully they fit on perfectly and there's no issues, and keep you up to date. Thanks. So just to follow up with the wheel project, had these wheels on now for it's been about a month, and no issues to speak of, no wobble. Had it up to about 75 miles per hour, no issues. So yeah, everything was a success. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Thanks.